What is up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix missing Instagram notes. So I created this Instagram account to test if this works or not. So as you can see here guys, I don't have Instagram notes. As you can see here in the top left, I don't have it, but when I switch to my other account, this is also a new account. When I go to my messaging in the top right, this airplane top right, as you can see here guys, I can still leave a note. I have a note on this account. I don't have a note on the second account. Now you may be wondering why this happens. It's because I contacted Instagram on this account, but I didn't on that other account. So I just contacted them. I told them that please fix missing Instagram notes, and they fixed it immediately. So what you want to do guys, to do the same thing, you want to just click three little dots, three little lines in the top right of your profile. As you can see, three little lines. Now after that you want to click on settings, and after that you want to click on help. As you can see here, help. After that you want to click on report a problem, and then you want to click on report a problem without shaking, and then click don't include and continue. And here just say, hi Instagram, please fix notes feature not showing on my account. Okay, just type here, hi Instagram, please fix note feature not showing on my account, and then they will get back to you within like a few hours, sometimes 24 hours. So please guys, be patient and come back to this video within 24 hours and see if it works. But before you do that, yeah, you have to send a message like the moment you see this video. But if you don't want to wait, you can just try updating the app to the latest versions. Just open your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram and see if you have like the latest update or not. As you can see here guys, if you have like the latest update, click on update. If it says they're open, that means you already have the latest update. So hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you want more help about how to add the Instagram notes, click in the video in the screen and you will be able to do that. See you guys next video. Leave a like. See you.